Hey there, and welcome back to English with an Espresso, your daily shot of natural, fluent English for the IELTS test. Today, we are to look at a lovely and expressive phrase that sounds completely natural in everyday English. I couldn't be happier. It's a great alternative to simply saying I'm happy, and it can help you sound more fluent, confident, and emotionally expressive, perfect for the IELTS speaking test. So, what does it mean when someone says, I couldn't be happier? It means they are extremely happy. So happy that it would be impossible to feel any better in that moment. It's often used when something really positive has just happened, like a success, celebration, or joyful moment. Let's look at some real life examples to get a feel for how to use this phrase. First, when I got accepted into university, I couldn't be happier. Second, I spent the weekend with my family after months apart. I couldn't be happier. Third, I just received my IELTS results and scored a band 8. I honestly couldn't be happier. As you can hear, it's a warm and powerful praise for expressing genuine joy. Now, let's talk IELTS. Why should you use this phrase? Firstly, it shows emotional expression, which helps your answers feel real and personal. Second, it sounds natural and idiomatic, which is exactly what the examiner wants to hear. Finally, it adds depth to your answer without sounding forced or robotic. Let's see how to use it in IELTS speaking. In IELTS speaking part 1, if you were to question related personal feelings like what do you do in your free time, you can start your answer saying, I usually spend time drawing and watching movies. When I'm doing that, I couldn't be happier. Another example, describing a happy moment in IELTS speaking part 2. So if you get a question like describe a memorable celebration you attended, so you can say answer as it was my best friend wedding. I was surrounded by good people, great food, and joyful atmosphere. I couldn't be happier in that moment. So in IELTS speaking part 3, considering opinions and broader topics, if you get a question like do people need a lot of money to be happy? You can give the answer, not necessary. Sometimes just spending time with loved ones can make you feel fulfilled. Honestly, some of my best moments have cost nothing. I couldn't be happier. So, band 9 pro tip is try using I couldn't be happier when you want to express genuine joy in your IELTS answers. It is especially powerful when telling personal stories or talking about things that matter to you. Remember, sounding natural and connected to your answers is key to scoring high. And that's your espresso shot of English for today. Next time you ask about a happy moment or personal experience, try using I couldn't be happier. It's a simple, heartfelt, and adds fluency to your speaking. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more daily English posts. Thanks for tuning in to English with an Espresso. See you in the next one.